Okay, these are the switches they put in trailers years ago. They may still put them in, but the switch, you can't see it from here, switch mechanism no longer works. So I had to put a new old work box and tie it into new switches. Come to do a remodeling job and pull this one out of the outlet here, and you see the neutral wires are not even tight. Taking out some old switches, you can see this switch screw is on the top, and then there's one on the bottom, right on the face. Here's another old switch. Again, the screws are on the top and bottom on the face. This one is a double pole. It has 4 screws, and then you can see the mechanical part right here that makes contact on both sides down in. So if you flip the switch, it flips over. And here's another old switch. This one has screws on the opposite sides, one on top and one on bottom. Both again on the face. This is why we do not paint receptacles and wall plates. This one I had to pull the plate off and the receptacle stuck to it. So it pulled the face right off the receptacle. I don't know how they ever got by with calling this thing a screw. Close. There's a groove, but your screwdriver won't turn that. It just slips right out. So what you gotta do is you can take a pair of pliers and grab it on the sides. I'm using this type, so grab it. And then grab the sides and turn. You can do that right now because I need both hands.